Here it is, my newest listing, 50 Golf View Drive, located in the thought-out White Beach section of Dumont, New Jersey. Let's check it out. Now, this home here offers 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. And the basement, well, there's a treat for you in the basement. The house has southern exposures, full of light in every single room, all day long. Now, the second floor bedrooms are full of room, and the closets are very spacious. Now, with that being said, there's extra additional storage above the stairway going into the first floor and also the attic. Now, look at these size. Look at the size of the room. Look at that. Looking at the video, it just takes my thought away. I was going to tell you that the rooms are made for the kids' imagination. Now look at this room here. Don't you feel like you're in outer space? They did a real good job, didn't they? Now the master ensuite has a walk-in and its bathroom. But like I said, the main attraction is in the basement. Now I'll give you a little sneak peek of what's going on in the basement. The basement on the right side of the stairs, we'll talk about that first. You'll have your laundry room, you have like a pantry and another storage room, plus access to the garage. And on the left side, well, you know what? Let's go down the stairs and check out what's on the left side of this building. And as you see here, guys, this is your home theater. It comes with a bar. Let's check out that bar first. Cool, isn't it? Now, the closet to the right is full of movies. Imagine yourself on a Friday night with your family watching that classic. Built-in surround sound system. This is exactly what you need. But on those summer days, it would be nowhere else than the outside entertainment space, including with its own fire pit area. Now, if you're interested in seeing this property, give us a call at 856-TEAM-TNS. This home is not going to be on the market for long. Have a great day.